And what we do in this research group is invent new forms of interactive narrative, social media, video games, virtual reality systems that really look at issues of cultural expression, social analysis, and even social change. We can actually use AI technologies and related algorithms to understand and reveal the values that are built into virtual identities, the kind of virtual selves that we use across different platforms. Could we build systems that actually also help reveal these kind of values and even potentially work for critical awareness and social good related to these values, such as preferences, biases, norms, and so on. Now, this notion of a phantasm is that idea that we have offloaded aspects of ideology, aspects of worldview onto these kind of images, and without deliberation, we're just immediately understanding the content of those images. So when I talk about virtual identities, I mentioned earlier that virtual identities, some people think just of avatars or video games, but at the same time, we have virtual identities. These are ways that we stage ourselves across different media. And we've also built a number of different kind of systems, games, kind of visual novels, computer science learning games, VR experiences, in which we model social identity phenomena so people can better understand those phenomena and engage with them more critically in the real world. So what archetypal analysis does is allow us, in a very humanly understandable way, relate each instance to one of these kind of extreme archetypes. We're basically discovering archetypes within the data set. Using AI and related technologies of virtuality and to reveal values that are built into these types of systems, preferences, biases, norms, and so on, and even play a kind of intervening role in thinking about these kind of issues. I think that we can actually use computing to better understand these kind of cultural values that are implemented through virtual identities. But more than that, we can also creatively use virtual identities to help users and developers become critically aware of these types of social identity phenomena.